Please put your luggage here. Eclair, BioWishTrend, Claire's, CosRx, Skin and Lab, I'm from, Robertin. 30% discount? No, you can't pass. This is how it should be. Pass! Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to WishTrend TV Airlines. Today's destination is to the BL Airport, and our estimated flight time is about 1 hour. We hope that you have a pleasant flight with us, and in just a moment, we will be screening a skincare safety video, so please pay attention to the screen. We ask all WishTrenders to visit wishtrend.com first and think about what skin type you have first. For dry skin types longing for dewy skin, we want to recommend these products. For oily skin types, we want to recommend that you add more moisture to your skin rather than oil. We want to recommend these products right here. For sensitive skin types, we want to recommend that you avoid functional products, and please do check if the product is free of these things right here. If you're not sure about what your skin type is, don't hesitate to ask us for your help. For Wish Try Love, we have exclusive 50% off discount for you guys for 48 hours. Our WishTrend representative, Mehdi, negotiated with our CEO for this discount, and also for certain products, we're gonna have up to 60% discount, so please do check it out. Last but not least, we have a giveaway for limited edition packaging, so please stay with us until the very end. If you are curious of how to participate in the giveaway, please check the description for details. WishTrend.com serves your happiness, and WishTrend TV creates content for your enjoyment. We hope that you have a safe and pleasant flight with us. Thank you.